It's Matthew again, and happy new month to everyone. The 2nd of June 2026. We're going to drop many strategies across all our channels again this month, and we're going to continue the rise and fall series, but this time around we're going to be using the moving average indicator. And make sure you subscribe to our channels to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping this month of June 2026. So here we're going to be trading the volatility 75 1x rise and fall, and we are using the moving average indicator. So once you log into your trading account, you go to the D trader. We're going to be selling at market before the trade end as well, just like previous strategies. So just go to D trader, go to volatility 75 1x, and go to the indicator, go to the moving average, and click on the MA. You're going to see this red line right here, and go to rise and fall, click on rise and fall, then set your durations to 4 minutes, and enter the amount you want to stake. So I'm staking 13.98 right here, 13.98. So we're going to be clicking on buy. There's a trade ongoing right there, so after that trade I'm going to show you when to click on buy. You're going to be clicking on buy. You can see the red line right here. This port, when it's at this port, you click on buy. So it has to be down, there has to be a long gap. You can see right here, this port right here, you click on buy at that spot. So this port, you can see the gap between the red line. So as this is pushing right up, we're going to sell at market before the sell at market options becomes unavailable. So once we make a reasonable profit, we're going to sell at market there. Let's wait for it to go a little bit up. Okay, so we made 6.5 right there. So let's wait for it to rebound again. So let's go to the MT5 right here. So there are some trades ongoing there. Some are red, some are in profit, but we're online. We're going to wait for them to hit profit, so that more profit, so that we can close them manually. This is the buy sell indicator, and we're on the MT5 trading interface. As the Deriv Binary trading interface right there. So you can see we attach the indicator on the V10, V75, V25, and Euro USD. You can use it to trade the Forex pairs and the volatility, crash and boom, jump index, and you can also use it on other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. Once you're online, it shows you when to buy and when to sell. We're giving it away for free. We're giving it to thousands of traders. And for those who want this indicator and you don't have a trading account, check the video description on YouTube. Just check the video description on YouTube for the link to sign up for a free trading account. So once you sign up for a free trading account, subscribe to all our channels. The links are right there in the video description on YouTube. Then send an email with the last 3 digits of your account to this email address. Once you verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator right here. And for the buy sell indicator, the touch scraper bot and the pip stripper bot, they both work on Deriv. They're still effective. You can see some of the results today, June 2026. The touch scraper bot is 9.99 USD, and the pip stripper bot 7.99 USD. So to order any of these bots, check the video description on YouTube. We're also giving away gifts when you order any of our bots. You get the indicator for free. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. So to order the Pipskeeper bot and the Toskeeper bot, the links are in the video description on YouTube. And for those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account to test all the strategies on demo before you go live. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels, and there are other infos in the video description on YouTube. Check the video description. So let's place one more trade. So remember, before you click on buy, this has to be right below the red line. It has to drop down right below the red line, and there has to be much gap. You can see the spot where it is right above the red line. So if it's right below the red line and there's this much gap, make sure you click on buy immediately. So you can see it's dropping down, so we have to wait for it to drop right down. So it's right below the red line. This is the moving average indicator. So make sure you set your indicator so that you can see that. You go to MA, moving average, and you're going to see this red, this indicator right there. So this has to be right below the moving average indicator, and there has to be some gaps, a wide gap. You can see the gaps right there, exactly this spot. So let's wait for it to go right down. Okay, came back up again, so you have to be patient. Okay, so you can see the gap is still a little bit short right here, so we have to wait for it to drop down. Okay, you can see the spot where I click on buy right there. So our mouse goes there. Let's wait for it to rebound. So once we're in profit, we're gonna sell. So we have to be ready right there. Okay, let's take 4.3 something right here. So we're gonna stop here. So make sure you watch carefully because we want to drop another strategy. So I'm gonna see you guys next time. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channels, like, comments. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.